What is up guys, it's me Nick and I'm back with another video, and in this video we will be checking out the Baseus D02 Pro. We will find out if this can surpass the Awei A780BL that I recently made a review on. Check the video up here and we'll find out if it can dethrone the Budget King title that Awei A780BL has. So let's just first start off with the unboxing. It came in a really nice minimal box. There were some scuffs here and there, but it wasn't really that big of a deal. It had a really clean presentation. And here in the back we have information about the headphones, all the features and stuff. And here on the sides we have again the main highlights of these headphones. Anyway, cutting through the two pieces of seals on each side, we are now ready to open the box, and it arrived in a really nice container to protect it. Next we have some stickers, and I won't be using it though, but if you guys receive this, the stickers are there just in case. And of course we have the manuals, and to be honest, no one really cares about the manual since there are a lot of other options. Pulling out the headphones though, it did feel great. Each cup had some plastic protecting it, but I will set that aside first. Here we get to have an aux cord. It's a really nice braided aux cord for wired listening. And lastly, my favorite thing, this is a USB Type-C pair of headphones, so now all of my devices can only use one cord, and that just really feels convenient. Okay, so starting off with the price, this headphones is under $30, and I will link it down in the description below if you guys are interested. But anyways, I think that this is a great buy, and you won't have any regrets in doing so, because these headphones are worth it. I really love the minimal design it has. It really looks clean. It has a matte black finish, it looks sleek, and overall design looks very promising. One thing I noticed though, that the design kinda looks like the Panda headphones. I'm not really sure if that's the full name, but yeah, this really looks similar to that headphones. And the first time I saw this, I was like, yeah, it kinda looks like the Panda headphones. But anyway, for the build quality, it looks and feels very sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And it also has a metal piece so that you won't unintentionally break this or bend this. The neck area is also comfortable to wear. It has this faux leather materials, and I love the minimal branding on top. It just really adds to that classy look that really suits the taste that I have. Now personally, I really don't like huge designs, huge logos in the front. For me, it just really kind of looks dirty and messy, but I guess that really depends on all of us. The ear pads look fine as well. It is thinner compared to the Awei A780BL, but the ear hole feels better than the Awei since there is more space. Overall build of the body is also longer, so if you have a big head, you won't have any problems. Anyway, both feel very comfortable though, but in my opinion, the Baseus is more comfortable since it is also lighter. There are also some left and right labeling here on each side, which is really convenient since others may tend to forget which side is the right one. Here on the right side though, you won't be seeing any ports because all of the ports and the buttons are located on the left side, which makes it easier to control the device. Moving on to battery life, I think this is very dominant as compared to the Awei A780BL because the Awei headphones can only last up to 15 hours, which is pretty good. But these headphones right here can last into a whopping 40 hours. I watched movies the other day for 4 hours long, and the battery was still at 100%, so if you're that person who really enjoys watching videos or movies, this will be a perfect choice for you. Now, realistically, no one really listens to 15 hours music straight or 40 hours music straight. Now, let me know though if you guys listen for that long. But in real day usage, the Awei can last up to 2 weeks, and this can practically last a month with only a single charge. That's really how good the battery life is on these headphones. Now moving on to the most important part of this video, sound quality. So how does the sound quality compare to the Awei A780BL? Well, first off, the Awei A780BL still takes the bass since those headphones are really bass heavy, and I really enjoyed listening to bass heavy music on that one. But the other aspects such as highs, mids, and lows, these headphones take the lead because you really hear every instrumental and the highs don't really hurt your ears. But as I said earlier, the bass could improve more on this, but I'm not gonna complain since I still really feel immersive when using this device. I really enjoyed watching movies as well because again, it really feels immersive and it's really comfortable. I can say that I enjoyed most of my time using this compared to the Awei A780BL because the Awei headphones kind of felt heavy in the head. Compared to this, it's very lightweight and the weight is a very big contributing factor to why it's very comfortable to use. I love listening to podcasts as well. The voices are crystal clear and overall the sound quality is pretty much better than the Awei A780BL. But if you are a person who enjoys bass heavy music, I think you should go get that one because the bass on those headphones are really a big deal. So do take note of that. For audio latency though, I have had no problems in listening with music. It's 1-to-1 sync. But please do remember that in order to get that low latency quality, your phone must be Bluetooth 5.0 in order to be compatible to the headphones, since these headphones are Bluetooth 5.0 as well. Anyways, to answer the question, is it better than the Awei A780BL? I actually have two answers on that one. First of all, if you're someone who sticks on the budget, Awei A780BL is a lot cheaper compared to these headphones. And for that price, the Awei is really worth it as well. Especially if, again, you are a bass heavy listener. But if you want comfortability, if you want clear audio, and if you want a more quality sounding headphone, I think you should get this one. And I think I can pretty much comfortably say the Baseus D02 Pro dethrones the Awei A780BL from the title Budget King. So that pretty much sums it up for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know what you guys think about these headphones. If you have any opinions on my channel, please feel free to comment it as well. Anyway, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, it would really help out. And see you on the next one.